Good evening, everyone. I hope we had a fruitful day today. As regards the assignment given to us by Coach Dami, some people reached out to me to make a little video on how to go about this, and here we go. Just go to the WhatsApp group where we have the link to the file, the Google Drive file. Scroll to where Coach Dami. If you want to do this on phone, I want to believe if it is an Android phone, you would have logged in with your Gmail account and you would have access to Google Drive on the Gmail account. So this is the address that you're going to tap on. And when you tap on this, the drive will open to where we have the document. So this is what we are having. This folder has been titled SLD 2022, and whatever is dropped here will be viewed or can be viewed by everyone that has already been added to this folder. That one is done by the creator of the folder, which I want to believe maybe Coach Dami also. And here we have the assignment. This was the one we did during the tutorial yesterday, and this as well. So if you don't mind, I will be doing some videos later, and I'll be sharing my YouTube link where we can watch on how to set up Google Drive and the importance of it, and how to make use of this in our schools, in our respective schools, and further things anyway. So back to the class. So let's just come under this, come and tap the assignment. Is a document. We are inside a file. So from that file, we have opened a document, and this is the document. And this is the assignment we have. Vision and planning. Design class vision. This, I think we have done it. And the second one, which Coach Dami asked that we do it on a Google document and send to him. So what he wants us to do now is to do it again in this and keep it inside this folder. So what you will be doing is just come around to this plus sign, tap it, and click on Google Doc, because the document, if you want to type, if you want to perform something that looks like Excel sheet, that's when we make use of this. Or if you want to do something that has to do with PowerPoint, if you want to add video pictures to what you are doing, that's where you pick on. Or you want to create a new folder, but I don't think there is need for us creating a new folder inside this folder. We already have SLD 2022. So just come around to this Google Doc and tap it. So it will open a document. Immediately it opens this document. Tap on these three dotted lines, and tap on untitled document, because it's nice for us to give a title to whatever he or she is doing. So this sheet, I will tag it as Olanrewaju Adeyemi Save. So this sheet is named Olanrewaju Adeyemi. So whatever I do, it will be easier for the coach or whoever is the creator to come into the file and say that this is done by me. Whatever you are doing in this file or on this sheet, after you have finished typing, just come and tap this place to save it. So I have saved mine. I have not done anything. I'm just trying to give us an overview about. So we can back. So if you look at this sheet, this is the sheet that I just worked on. So it already has my name. So if anybody comes to this sheet now, wherever your location or position or whatever, you will see my name. So you can now come back on the sheet, tap it, and do the assignment. Sorry, there is something I did now. When you tap it, this is what you are going to have. So click on this button to edit it. So it will enable you to type. So when you tap it, then assignment. Maybe you can say number 1 and list whatever you want to type. Then number 2, do whatever, like that. Then go to the second one. After doing all this, then you can come back again to tap on this, which will save the file. So when it saves the file, you can tap on this again, this cross sign, so that's to go back to the folder. So in this folder, this is what you'll be having. So whoever tap on that link now will see all this. So I can as well go back to, if I want to delete it, I can as well go back to this button where we have several options and scroll up, or scroll down rather, and I have remove. So I can remove this thing now, move to trash, so automatically it has left. And the beautiful thing about this is in case you even have people like Kodami has done, added everyone to this place. If you have people that you want to join this group as well, which is not needed because you are not the creator, then you can come to this button. Come to this button, tap on the button, and you see share. So like the one I asked in the in our own separate group, that we want to work on a sheet. So this is what I did. I tapped on share. So tapping on the share, when you tap, it will request for email address of whoever you want to share with. So you tap, write the email address here. After writing the email address, for example, let me put Adeyemi. I think I'm battling with the network. Olanrewaju at, no, let me use Adeyemi at ogunsubeb.com. This is my mail. It's not compulsory, it's only Gmail that you had. You can add any mail to this. And then I can, this is also very important, this place, editor. If you change it, if you save it like this, send it, the person can have access to it and edit whatever you have done. But if you don't want the person to have access to edit it, but just to view it, you can as well change it. Tap on the arrow behind, and it's either you want the person to just maybe comment, view it, or comment on it, or edit it. So whatever the person is viewing, when anyone is viewing, they can't do anything to the what you have done. When they want to comment, they can only comment on it, not editing it. Why this one gives opportunity to remove an addition and so. So all those that I have added to the first sheet, I used edit because we'll be editing it together. If you look at your Google Drive, you already see a SLD report. That one is different from this one that we are having. So as not to waste much of our time, I think I have done a little justice, except if there are other questions on how to go further about this. Thank you, everyone, and good evening.